What's the secret of happy life? What if I tell you, getting reminded by that movie Kung Fu Panda, that there is no secret? And if I say that, I'm not really exaggerating. There is no secret to happy life. It's there within you. The only thing that has happened over the years is that you have put a lot of stuff on that happiness, which is your underlying quality, your underlying feeling. You have put a lot of stuff over the years and you're not able to experience that happiness. So what does it mean? It only means that you have to find out what all have you put on that happiness and start removing that. That's the only thing you need to do. I have made it very simple to say, but if you have to start putting that into practice, that may take time, and that's okay. So here I'm going to share with you what all you need to do to start experiencing that happiness which is lying inside you. Ready? Ready? Okay. First one is, you need to take care of your body so well that it continues to support you for all times to come. Your system has to work in such a way that whatever challenge comes, whatever environmental challenge comes, you are able to sustain that with ease. And how do you do that? I have shared that in one of my earlier videos, that body needs to be treated like a temple. And what do you do in a temple? You worship that. And same thing has to be done by the body. And by worshipping, what do we actually mean? That you take care of it, you remain hygienic, you remain, you sustain that strength within you, you feed the right stuff to your body. That is what is worshipping your body. And at the same time, take care of your mind also, because mind is creating everything in our life. So what is it that you are allowing your mind to absorb from the outside world? Start taking care of that. So as you take care of your body, as you take care of your mind, as they start working in alignment with each other, you are opening the frontiers of happiness. First important. Second important aspect that comes is, you will need to nurture your relationships. Now, we are all social beings. And one thing that we all hate, I'm using a very strong word here, one thing that we all hate at some point or the other is that to be alone. We want to be with people. We want to experience world around us in terms of people around us. And any person who is left alone, that person has a lot of emotional price to pay for that. So you will need to nurture your relations, you will need to invest in your relations, and those relations can be formal relations or those relations can be informal relations. And every relation requires some bit of investment. It may be in terms of your time, it may be in terms of support, whatever. Third important aspect that you will need to pay attention to if you really want to be happy is pay attention to what is it that you are experiencing from the work that you do. Your work is your support system of your life. I always say that what you get out of any work that you do is supporting your life plus the life of your own whole family. You may be sending your children to a wonderful school, but tell me, where is the money coming from to pay for their fees and various other expenses? From the job that you're doing. So that is why you need to start respecting the work that you do in terms of contribution you make there, in terms of new ideas that you submit there, in terms of honoring the times and in terms of satisfying the customers. All that becomes a package. And once you are able to take care of these three critical aspects of life, work, relations, yourself, I think you have solved or you have put all the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle together, and only thing that comes out of that putting all those pieces together is what is written as happiness. Easy to do? I'm sure it's not so difficult, but the only thing is it will require effort from your side, and not only one time effort. Again, it's a journey. You'll have to continue to put in that effort again and again, and since it is contributing to your happiness, I'm sure you would love to do that.